Nakuha ko na yung aking luggage, sa labas na tayo. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video guys ay magta-transfer tayo or magko-connecting tayo papuntang Lawag. So hanapin natin guys yung ating gate papuntang Lawag. So let's go! Merong signage dito guys na terminal transfer bus or departure. So hanapin natin yan. So yan guys, punta tayo dito. So akyat na tayo, iwan na natin yung card na. So ito guys yung aking luggage. So sundan natin guys yung araw ng departure. Sundan natin papunta doon. Tayo sa level 3 guys. Check in muna natin yung ating luggage ng Cebu Pacific. So let's go. So hanapin natin ang Cebu Pacific dito. So ito ang Cebu Pacific. I-check in lang natin yung ating luggage. Let's go. Maluwang pala tong airport dito sa Terminal 3. Nandito na lahat ng mga na international at saka domestic. Ang luwang. So bag drop. Domestic. So ayan guys, ang daming tao. Ayan guys, i-bag drop lang natin yung ating luggage kasi connecting tayo sa Lawag. So ayan guys, ang daming mga tao dito. So makikipila tayo ulit. Maraming mga passengers. Bago ako dito sa airport guys kasi ang luwang na ng pang international at saka domestic. So ayan, luwang. Inayos na kasi hindi na siya mag-load. Saka marami din kainan dito, mga restaurants. Marami din mga bangko. Parang nandito na lahat. So nandito tayo sa Cebu Pacific. So ang oras na ngayon guys ay alauna, eksakto, alauna ng madaling araw. Ang flight ko kasi ay 4:40. Paglapag ko sa Lawag, alas 6 na. So, tsaga-tsaga muna kahit inaantok na ako. Haggard na ako. I-check-in ko lang tong bag ko ulit guys, papuntang Lawag. Yan, maraming mga tao na check-in. Guys, na-check-in na natin yung luggage. So dito guys, mayroon na ring self-check-in dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. So gayang-gaya na rin sa ibang abroad. Sa ibang bansa. So punta na tayo guys dun sa gate natin papuntang Lawag. So as you can see, kahit gabing-gabi maraming mga tao dito sa airport, dito sa Manila. Okay, so hanapin natin yung dito kasi nakakalito na dito, maluwang na yung ginawang domestic dito. So parang pinagsama-sama na yung mga domestic dito sa Terminal 3 at saka international flights. So let's go guys. Ay, ito nga pala guys, domestic entrance. So try natin dito. Kapasok na tayo dito sa loob. So hanapin natin yung papuntang Lawag. Napagod ako. So ito ang Cebu Pacific waiting area. Marami din upuan. Ayan, mayroon dito sa kabila, maluwang din. Galing ako doon, hinahanap ko yung gate ko papuntang Lawag pero wala pa daw. Tapos dito mahaba din to guys, kaya pag may bit-bit ka mahirap magbit-bit pag pag maligaw-ligaw ka, nakakapagod. Grabe, may gate din to, mahabang Ayun guys, sobrang dami na ng tao dito sa domestic airlines dito sa waiting area ng Cebu Pacific. So ayan guys, grabe. So I'm still waiting my boarding time for 40. Guys, pupunta na tayo sa destination natin doon sa Lawag na 133B gate. So let's go guys. So ganito dito guys, mahaba pa pala ang dito. So madami din palang tao dito guys, yung papunta na. Bukod pa pala doon sa tinambayan ko na maraming tao. Marami din pala dito. Nagpapalis na. Ayan guys, sobrang layo ng aking gate. Ayan guys, nandun yata yung 133. So let's go guys doon. Marami din palang kainan dito. So let's go. Warben, layo. So ayan guys, nahanapan ko na yung boarding namin na gate 133B Lawag 5J404 Lawag. So ayan guys, so wait na lang natin ang ating code. So ayan guys, marami ng mga tao dito napapaalis. Ganito pala dito guys, first time ko kasi pumunta dito guys. So nanibago ako, sobrang daming tao kahit gabi pala, kahit kahit madaling araw, sobrang daming tao. So ayan guys, yung 5J404 Lawag now boarding. So pipila na rin tayo guys, yan ang daming tao. So eto na, so tara guys.
For Lawag, boarding 1348 onward please.
So yun guys, malapit na tayo sa pintuan. Sumakay pa kami ng bus ng airport. Kami sa sa plane. Sumakay muna kami ng shuttle bus ng Cebu Pacific. So yan, lilipat kami. So Cebu Pacific. Cebu Pacific. Kaya naakyat na kami.
namin ang hanapan na uni may lagay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled as a safety
Kalimutan ko na yung seat ko.
Unfasten your seatbelt and put your seatbelt upright. Use of electronic devices,
17F.
laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any smart user.
So doon tayo sa gitna.
Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Pinakikiusapan po lamang namin ang hanapan na uni nilagay sa loob ng inyong mga daladalahan ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog tulad ng flask at tumblers.
Ma'am, padiretso na lang, ma'am.
Padiretso na lang po sa ng compartmento. Maraming salamat po.
Sa loob.
May we request all guests to stow their handbags
Dito ako. 17F. Ayan guys. Tayo sa gilid. Guys. Sa airplane na tayo.
is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seatbelt upright.
Ito guys yung Cebu Pacific going to Lobat.
Laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any smart producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Tuwagin ang pansin ng inyong cabin crew kung hindi ito ang inyong nakulit. Maraming salamat po.
Sobrang haggard na ako kasi kumatok na ako madaling araw na ito guys. Nama ko for 40 na. Nakapaalis na kahit.
Seated as we're about to close the cabin door.
We are about to close the main cabin door. Pull it loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables still. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
board at even. Sabi sa kapaligiran kasama building bigger to welcome better. Ayan guys. Let's go sa loob na Luwag International Airport. Kunin natin yung ating bag. Arrival. Wait lang guys. Kunin natin yung ating luggage. Nakuha ko na yung aking luggage, sa labas na tayo. Ha? Yan guys, thanks for watching. Nandito na ako sa Luwag International Airport. So bye bye.